Hey there! Let us look to how to master the code block. Code block give you the flexibility to process and format data within your workflow. Here, let's see an example where we are receiving appointment details from Konnectify via catchhook, format it with code block, and add it as input data to create appointment in GoHighLevel, all in one flow. We shall add Webhook as trigger. Select catchhook as event. Then click on Continue. Then we have the catchhook endpoint. Update this endpoint in Konnectify. Click on Test Webhook. Now we have the sample data. Then click on Continue button. Here we shall add the code block. Then write the JavaScript code. We have written the code that get inputs and format the start time and end time of the appointment. Then let's create an input variable by clicking the input variable. Let's name this variable. We are naming it as start time. Now we shall add another variable and name it as end time. Then map the inputs from trigger catchhook. After we have mapped inputs, then let's click on test code. Enter the inputs here for both variables and click on execute code. We have the formatted data in test response. Then we shall add final step. Configure the GoHighLevel event. Create appointment. Map the output, start time and end time from the code block. Save the configuration after field mapping. Finally, we send this processed data to GoHighLevel. Using the formatted date and time, we create an appointment seamlessly. With code block, you can control and customize your data before sending it anywhere. From capturing data to transforming and acting on it, Konnectify makes it simple and flexible.